Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on October the 25th, 2019. Global shares mixed ahead of central bank meetings. Global shares were mostly mixed on Friday as investors awaited key central bank policy meetings next week. The major focus for investors is next week's U.S. Federal Reserve policy meeting, at which it's almost certain to cut interest rates for a third time this year. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan added just 0.05%, while Japan's Nikkei rose 0.22%. Chinese blue chips climbed 0.56%, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng declined 0.28%. Meantime, the Australian shares showed a 0.68% increase. European stocks were mostly flat, with pan-region Euro Stoxx 50 futures rose 0.06% to 3,613. German DAX futures fell 0.03% to 12,864.5, and FTSE futures were 0.11% higher at 7,312 in early trade. Amazon's profit falls due to company spending. Amazon's profit decreased 26% in the last quarter as the company spent $800 million to expand its free one-day delivery program and poured money into its cloud storage business. Overall, worldwide shipping costs increased 46% to $9.6 billion from the previous year. Although the retail giant's revenues increased sharply, added 24% to $70 billion for the quarter, or more than $23 billion a month, its profits fell to $2.1 billion, which is less than $2.9 billion from a year earlier. The financial miss also comes as Amazon is facing greater scrutiny from Washington, with politicians from both sides calling for investigations of its business practices. Company shares dropped close to 7% in after-hours trading. Euro recovers amid ECB Monteiro decision. The single currency started on Friday after falling to a one-week low against the US dollar in the previous session as the European Central Bank said they are opening for more monetary policy easing but kept interest rates unchanged this time. The investors' focus will shift next week to a US Federal Reserve meeting ending October the 30th and a Bank of Japan meeting ending October the 31st. The euro was flat at $1.1109 after hitting the one-week low of $1.1094 on Thursday. The dollar index, which measures the greenback against a basket of other currencies, was also flat at 97.66. Meantime, the British currency is likely to remain volatile ahead of a meeting later on Friday where European Union officials Tesla launches sale its Chinamade Model 3. U.S. electric vehicle giant Tesla on Friday started selling its Chinamade Model 3 with an autopilot function priced from 355,800 yen, $50,310. Such price makes this vehicle the company's cheapest model on sale in the country, the official website showed. Website sales of a less expensive variant of the same model lacking an autopilot function were suspended. This model has previously cost 328,000 yen, $46,389. Earlier, the US-made Model 3 has so far fared well in China, the world's biggest car market. Sales surged to 10,542 cars in the quarter ended September the 30th, according to research firm LMC Automotive.